नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का एसजीटी क्लासेस में स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.1 circle lesson. Okay, so let's start from the question number 1. See, this is diagram given. This is a C center. AB is the okay, line AB is the tangent. Okay, in figure radius of a circle with center C is 6 centimeter. Okay, length of radius is given. Line AB is a tangent at A. Answer the following question. So we'll just join this because this is the radius. Okay, this is radius of the circle. Okay, in this way, and this is also will join, so we have to find this. Okay, like this. Okay, so just you join by scale. I have just joined this. What is the measure of angle CAB? Okay, we have to find this angle CAB. Okay, and why? Okay, so we'll start the answers or solutions, okay, of this. So first, measure of angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. What is reason? Radius is perpendicular to tangent, or tangent is perpendicular to radius. Okay, radius is perpendicular to tangent. Okay, or tangent is perpendicular to radius, you can write. Okay, this is simple reason. Okay, just in one way. Okay, and why? Okay, so this is the reason. What is the distance of point C from line AB? Okay, second. Okay, we'll solve this second. Okay, distance we have to find AC actually. Okay, so first, what is given? Radius. Okay, distance AC is given 6 centimeter. Okay, radius of the circle, radius of this circle. Okay, radius of the circle. Okay, therefore what is the distance of C from line AB? Okay, therefore distance of C. Okay, so we just have to find this only. Okay, so therefore distance of point C from line AB is 6 centimeter. Okay, this is second. Okay, you just write this much only. Okay, come to the third. Okay, so now we'll solve the third one. Distance AB is 6 centimeter. Okay, what is given? Distance AB is also 6 centimeter. Find distance BC. Okay, so in triangle. Okay, what is given? Distance AB is given 6 centimeter. Okay, distance AC is also 6 centimeter. Okay, therefore I can write, therefore I will write AB is 6 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter, therefore AC is 6 centimeter. Okay, so in triangle ABC, angle angle CAB is 90 degree. Okay, you know the reason. Radius is perpendicular to tangent, or tangent is perpendicular to radius. Tangent is perpendicular to a radius. Okay, to radius. Tangent is perpendicular to radius, or radius is perpendicular to tangent. Both statements are correct. Therefore BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Okay, Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, you just do this. So this is BC square, 6 square plus 6 square. Okay, it is 36 plus 36, it is 72. Okay, therefore BC square is equal to 7. The BC is equal to, in square root, 72. Therefore BC is equal to 6 in square root 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is by taking square root on both sides, you write, or simply put in the square root. Okay, by taking square root on both sides, this you write reason. Okay, BC 6 into root 2 centimeter. Now one more I am think, this BC I have got this. Okay, I want to find, what I have to find? Distance. Therefore distance BC, therefore distance B comma C is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. Okay, this is your third answer. Okay, and now come to the last. What is the measure of angle ABC and Y? Okay, in triangle ABC. Okay, AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC is equal to 6 centimeter given. Okay, therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, therefore angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Okay, isosceles triangle, because angle ABC, why angle ABC? Therefore angle, I can write angle ABC is equal to angle, next angle ACB, ACB is equal to 45. Okay, this is the property of isosceles, a right angle triangle, you write isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle, then you will get this. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this. So this is an isosceles triangle, so you will get this. This is my way of solving the given question. You can use your own methods, you can use any method, means there are very few methods, and your writing and method should be correct, so you will get the full marks. There is no problem, just follow me or follow any other person, but you learn to apply your own skills to solve the problems. Okay, this is an request, this is an humble request to all of you. Okay, so here we have solved the first question of the practice set 3.1, and now we are going to solve question number 2. Okay, so we'll solve the question number 2. In this question, this is the given diagram. If O is the center of circle and the point R, and say RM and Rn are the tangent. Okay, this RM Rn tangents, okay, it is out of the circle, and touching the circle at M and end point, length OR is given 10 and the radius is given 5. Okay, and then prove what is the length of the each tangent segments. Okay, MR and R and NR, we have to find this, but before solving this we'll write whatever given. Okay, so in this case solution, I'm writing a solution. You first write given. Okay, given. Okay, what is given? Length OR is given 10 centimeter. Okay, then ON, okay, join. Okay, join, so we'll get length of OM is equal to length of ON is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, this is given. Okay, this is given actually. Okay, you have to just write, draw or whatever you want to. आपको लग रहा है तो लिखो join, or you just show this in the diagram. Okay, so first, what is the length of each tangent segment? We'll find this. Okay, so in triangle OMR and triangle ONR. Okay, seg OM congruent seg ON. Okay, radii of same circle, okay, same circle. Okay, angle OMR congruent angle ONR. Okay, the reason is each is 90 degree. Okay, you write more things here. Radius is perpendicular to tangent, radius is perpendicular to tangent. Okay, tangent. Okay, this is the another reason you can write here, or just put this. Okay, and seg, you can see this OR. Okay, OR congruent seg. Okay, what I am exactly finding? Okay, is it required here? Not required, it's not required actually. Okay, so why should we do this? Okay, so just no need of these all things. But okay, just we just don't want that all things. Okay, we'll want just one of the triangle, and then we'll solve this in triangle. Okay, in triangle I will take OMR. Angle OMR is equal to 90 degree. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, to tangent. Okay, you can write simply this. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore, okay, OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Goras theorem. Okay, you do this. Okay, now therefore I know OR square is 110 square, OM square is 5 square, it is given, MR square I have to find. Okay, so now this is 100 and this is 25 plus MR square. Okay, then I will write MR square is equal to 100 minus 25 is equal to 75. Okay, I am simply writing here only. Therefore MR is equal to in square root 75. Therefore MR is equal to 5 root 3. Okay, 3 centimeter. Okay, this is centimeter. So by taking square root, you write simply this. Okay, so this is the first. Okay, you know that MR and NR are same. Okay, length of MR. Okay, therefore MR is equal to NR is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. Okay, you can write this. Tangents are congruent. Okay, tangents drawn from an external point are congruent. Tangents drawn from an external point are congruent. Okay, you have to just write this reason. Okay, so tangents drawn from an external point. Tangents drawn from an external point. Okay, external point are congruent. Okay, are congruent. Okay, this is the reason. So their measure is also same, congruent. Okay, you write properly. Okay, just write it like this. Okay, so this is the first we have got it. And now what is the measure of MRO? Okay, now if you see in triangle, again MRO. Okay, in triangle OMR, angle OMR is equal to 90. And second thing I can write that, okay, this is the, okay, so OM is equal to 1/2 OR. Okay, OM is equal to 1/2 OR. OM is what? 5 and this is 10. Okay, so this is given. Okay, actually, okay, this is given. Therefore angle O, which angle we want? MRO. MRO is equal to 30 degree. Okay, this is 30, 60, 90 degree property. Okay, see this is the side opposite to 30 degree. Okay, so you write converse. This is converse of 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, converse of 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, you got this now. Okay, now this is similarly angle in triangle, which triangle? Again in triangle ONR. Okay, angle ONR is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, okay, ON is equal to 1/2 OR. Therefore angle, okay, which angle? NRO is equal to 30 degree. This is also by converse of 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, now see this you have to learn. Okay, converse, how this come by converse. Okay, how this come by converse. So therefore I want to find the measure of this. Okay, MRN, angle MRN. Okay, angle MRN is equal to angle MRO plus angle NRO. Okay, angle addition property. Okay, so use it. Therefore angle MRN is equal to 30 degree plus 30 degree. So therefore angle MRN is equal to 60 degree. Okay, you will get this. So you'll get this is also here. Okay, which, so whatever you have to just solve. Okay, जो भी आपको लिखना है, क्या दिया है क्या नहीं दिया आपके, फर्स्ट देखना पड़ेगा. मैंने पहले लिखा था वो कुछ भी काम का नहीं था, उसको मैंने क्लीन कर दिया. अभी ये जो लिखा है काम का. ओके, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिस सेट एंड इट इज़ वेरी इजी. इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन दी tangent radius theorem. Okay, which is means tangent is proportional to the radius and radius is proportional perpendicular to tangent. Tangent is perpendicular to radius is perpendicular to tangent, and the tangents drawn from an external points are always congruent. Okay, so their length is always same. So all these properties we have to use here. This is the problem number 2. We have solved it, and now we are going to solve problem number 3. Okay, so we'll solve the third question. In this question diagram will remain same. Okay, seg RM and seg RN. Okay, these are the tangents of a circle with center O. O is the center. Through that seg OR. Okay, this OR is bisects angle MRN and M ON. Okay, we have to prove this. It is very easy. So I'm directly write solution. Okay, solution. Okay. So what is given in join? First join seg OM and seg ON. Okay. Now in triangle OMR and triangle ONR. Okay. First seg OM congruent seg ON. Okay, what is reason? Radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Okay. अर्लियर जो मैंने लिखा था इसके पहले वो यही था सब. ओके, और यही हम लोग को अभी यहाँ पे लिखना है. एंगल ओ एम आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट एंगल ONR. ओके, सो ईच इज़ 90, ईच इज़ 90 डिग्री. इसके पीछे रीज़न है रेडियस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द टेंजेंट. ओके, टू द टेंजेंट, or tangent is perpendicular to the radius. You write this reason here. Okay, and the last one, therefore seg OR congruent seg RO. Okay, common side. Okay, common side. Okay, therefore triangle, which triangles? Triangle OMR congruent triangle ONR by side angle side test. Once you got this, therefore I will write the corresponding angles now. Angle MRO congruent angle NRO. Therefore angle MOR congruent angle NOR. Okay, the reason corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Okay, this is the reason corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Therefore if this is true, then seg OR is a bisector of angle. Which angle we want to know? MRN and angle MON. Okay, here this is very IMP. Why it is IMP? See this. Why I am telling this? MRO and NRO. Okay, so these are the congruent now, and these two are also congruent. Okay, then MOR and NOR are also congruent. Therefore this OR is a bisector of both of the angles. Okay, this angle MON and MRN. Okay, so first you have to prove these two triangles are congruent, and it is very easy because this is based on the tangents drawn from an external point are congruent to each other. You can use that thing is also here. Okay, you use that property also here. Okay, so if you want to use that is also correct. Okay, this side, then this side, and this angle also. Okay, so use okay, any one property SSS test or SAS test of congruency and prove that two given triangles are congruent, and then the corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore the given seg OR is the bisector of both the angles. Okay, in this way you have to prove this, and this is the question number 3. We have solved it. Okay, and now we are going to solve the last question of this practice set, question number 4. ओके, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सॉल्व करेंगे. यहाँ पे मैं इसको परपेंडिकुलर भी निकाल देता हूँ एक्चुअली. ओके, द सेम डायग्राम. ओके, you can draw the different diagrams. No need to draw the same diagram. No need to take the same points. No need to take the same names. Okay, so what is given? What is the distance between the two parallel tangents of a circle having radius 4.5 cm? Okay, so first we will write solution. So whatever the given we write. Okay, OA is equal to OB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, radii of same circle. Okay, radii of same circle. Okay, this is given actually. Okay, this is given. Second thing, what is given there? Line L and line M are tangents parallel to each other. Okay, each other. Okay, each other. Line L and line M touching this circle at point A and B respectively. Okay, you can write this respectively at point A and B respectively. Okay, so first I can write line L parallel line M. Okay, this is also given. This is given, and above this is also given. Okay, second thing I can write line L perpendicular seg OB OA. Okay, therefore line M perpendicular seg OP. Okay, tangent is perpendicular to radius, or tangent is perpendicular to radius, or radius is perpendicular to tangent. Both are correct, or a tangent theorem. Okay, you can write simply. Now what happened, this very MP, this is line L parallel line M and AOB. Okay, these are the linear point, therefore AB is equal to AO plus OB. Okay, so this is equal to 4.5 plus 4.5 is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, AB is equal to 9 centimeter. So you want to write this, okay, in this way you write. Okay, otherwise you solve by your own way, justify your answer. Okay, so what is distance between two parallel tangents? Okay, therefore the distance between two parallel tangents, the distance between two parallel tangents, okay, is 9 centimeter. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this. This is very easy actually. You write the stepwise, or you write a direct solution, no problem, there is no problem. Okay, only whatever the given things that should be there in your solution. Okay, if that things are there in your solution, then your solution is perfect, and then you will get 4 marks. Okay, and you will try to do you will try to write the better solution than this also. Okay, because it is possible, everything is possible. It depends on us only. Okay, so do the better, try solve in better ways, so you'll get the better marks in the examination, and your knowledge will be increased. Okay, so knowledge is a very important thing in our studies, so always try to enhance your knowledge level and try to be smart. Okay, and do the hard work, and you'll get your success. Okay, here this practice set is completed. This is last question. I will try at my best. Okay, I will try by my own ways. So there may be different methods, you can use different method to solve these problems, and in the next video we'll discuss about the practice set 3.2, 3.3, and all practice set will complete very fast, and problem set also. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon button, so you'll get the notification of upcoming videos on time. Thanks, and keep watching. Have a nice time.